What's happening, guys? Welcome to RGHtechTv, and today I have a very interesting product for you guys. It's a mechanical keyboard from Zebronics, which also has vibrant multicolor LED backlight with pre-programmed modes. It seems like a very good package. Keep watching this video, guys. I'm going to mention a lot of details in general about mechanical keyboards and specifically about Zebronics Max Plus. Now, Zebronics Max Plus is a full-size mechanical keyboard with 104 keys in total, including number pad and 12 multimedia keys. This keyboard comes with blue switches from Otemu with a key travel of 4mm with a detectable actuation point at around 2mm or so. Now, actuation point means the point where keystroke or key press is registered, and this is the major difference between a mechanical keyboard and a normal membrane keyboard. For membrane keyboard, you will have to press the key till it touches the rubber base, whereas on mechanical keyboard, at halfway through, key press gets registered. Now guys, generally mechanical keyboards are known for tactile experience, good sound feedback, and Zebronics Max Plus is no exception here. Even though it doesn't have Cherry MX switches, it has amazing tactile feel to it with awesome sound feedback, and it gives you satisfactory typing experience more than anything. Regarding gaming experience, generally blue switches are not preferred as they have higher reset points when compared to red switches or bronze switches. But with my experience, I can say gaming on this keyboard was not bad at all. It was decently good, but my first preference would be typing and then gaming. Anyway guys, this is how it sounds while typing. Now guys, this is just not a mechanical keyboard, this is also a backlit keyboard with the pre-programmed LED modes as mentioned earlier. You can choose from 7 available options which include gaming mode, which is my favorite, which only lights up gaming related keys as you can see. It also has wave mode, replicating motion of waves. Next you have fade in fade out mode, which looks cool as well. Then you have ripple effect, that is lights emerge outwards from the key you press, which also looks pretty cool. And in the final mode, it only highlights the key you press, which is also pretty amazing. If you don't need these effects, you can light up all the keys as well. If you notice, each row has different color, but I wish I had the option of choosing single color for all the keys, but sadly, that option isn't available. On top of everything guys, it's a very heavy keyboard which has net weight of 1.27 kg. It has good rubber grip at the bottom, which ensures it doesn't move while typing or gaming. It also has good quality braided cable and also high quality USB connector. So all things put together makes the overall keyboard feel very premium in terms of design and build. So guys, this is actually priced at around 3000 Indian rupees, and I feel it's a very good product at this price point. So if you want to buy a good mechanical keyboard with good tactile feedback, backlit keys available at an affordable price, then this definitely is a good option. So that's it guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RGHtechTv, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.